just like I've been doing. I'll even create a new wallet and show you the entire process live. Check this, over 500% growth in just a couple minutes. Check your wallet and you'll notice we've made 3 times our initial investment in no time. Feel free to repeat this process as much as you like. Look at this crazy wallet. If you're dreaming of making a ton of money, just keep watching because I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to do it. I spent months grinding meme coin trades every single day, but I got fed up with the insane risks of dumping money into random coins. That's when I switched to this new strategy. Now I can flip $100 into $500 or even $1,000 in seconds. And I keep repeating the process. This is how I've been stacking cash so quickly. The secret is to stop trading meme coins and start making them. Everyone at the top is doing it, and we can't afford to miss out. It's time for us regular people to secure the bag. Usually people tend to launch their coins on Pump.Fun, but take a look at this list. In just a couple of minutes, you'll see a ton of new coins. It's way too crowded to make it big, but don't stress, there's a way around it. We've got an amazing chance to launch our coins on Raydium, a DEX where the competition is way lower than Pump.Fun. Launches here are less frequent because you need coding skills, which is why most projects on this network are bigger with higher market caps and more volume. We want that volume, but most of us don't know how to code. Here's the kicker, that's not a problem anymore. I'll show you how to launch your coin here, attract thousands of investors, and make insane profits, just like I've been doing. I'll even create a new wallet and show you the entire process live. I recently found Solana coinfast.fun and it's legit amazing. You can launch your token directly on Raydium without writing any code. It's so straightforward, just a few clicks and you're done. I've been using it for some time and it's been flawless so far. Let's get everything set up and start building our coin right now. The first step is getting a logo. The trick is to pick something that's trending like crazy so we can pull attention from other coins. I always lean into what's popular, memes, celebrities, or video game stuff. This time I'm choosing the side-eye dog meme. It's always worked well for me. Just make sure your logo is 500 by 500 pixels. Download it, and with this, we're ready for the next part. Now, return to solana and connect your wallet. It'll ask for permission. Just confirm it, and you're ready to roll. Here, you'll add the basic details for your coin. I'm calling mine side-eye dog. The symbol will be side-eye. Nice and easy. For the description, I'll go with the iconic side-eye dog meme has officially become a crypto coin. Don't forget to attach the logo we made and click next. Here's the token economics. Don't change anything. The values are already set perfectly. We'll need the 1 billion total supply down the line, so just click next and proceed. This step lets you add a creator name and the website where you created the coin, but it's not required. Since it charges 0.1 Solana, I'd say skip it and save that money. Just turn it off and continue. You can add social media handles for your coin in this section. If you've got some ready, feel free to add them. But since we're launching directly on Raydium, there's no need for intense marketing. I always skip this, and it's worked just fine. Just hit skip and move forward. These settings are a big deal. Leave them all turned on. If you disable any of them, your coin could be dead on arrival. Here's why. Disabling Revoke Freeze gives you the power to freeze the coin and halt all transactions. Disabling Revoke Mint lets you mint your coin as much as you want. And disabling Revoke Update enables the possibility of changing any info of the coin whenever you want, which is a massive red flag for investors. Everyone can check if you've disabled these security features, and if you have, they'll avoid your coin. Just leave them on and click Launch My Token Now. Wait a few seconds and your wallet will show up. It'll ask for standard transaction permission. Just click Confirm to approve the transaction. And just like that, your coin is officially live. You can explore all the details here, like verifying it on Solscan. Here on Solscan, you can verify that your coin is now live on the Solana network. But there's still one more step before people can start trading your coin and you can start making profits. The next step is creating the liquidity pool. If there's no liquidity, trading won't be possible. So let's click here on Create Liquidity Pool and set it up. First, make sure your wallet is connected. Just click up here and link it. Next, we need to add our meme coin as the base token. Click here, head back to Launch Tool and copy your token's address, paste it here and fill in the details. For me, the symbol is side eye and the name is side eye dog. Then click add user token and click on your meme coin. You'll see you have 1 billion coins, which is our total supply. Add 900 million, since that's the standard for meme coins. Next, you'll need to add the quote token. This is the coin that pairs with your meme coin for trading. Go ahead and choose Solana here. You can pretty much go all out since you're the first person buying your coin, meaning there's no risk of losing money. So just click max. It's all gains from here. Just adjust the amount slightly to cover the fees, specifically 0.2 Solana since that's what Raydium charges for the pool creation. Then scroll down to fee tier and select 2%. When you're ready, click initialize liquidity, pool, confirm the transaction, and your coin is good to go. And there it is. The coin we just launched is visible on Photon, so anyone can go and buy it. Now let's take a closer look at your coin's chart and see how it's performing. To do this, go to dexscreener.com and pick any random coin. After it loads, switch back to Launch Tool and copy your token address. Now go to DexScreener again, paste your address into the search bar, and replace the random coin's address with yours. Press enter, and boom, your coin chart is up. Now all you have to do is wait for buyers to jump in. You can take your profits whenever you feel like it. Those early buys? Yeah, those are just bots doing their thing. Just be patient and refresh every now and then the Raydium page until you can see your position down here. Alright guys, we got our first nice buy going for $136, which is a little more than 1 Solana. As you can see, this pushed the growth of the coin so much that I have to scroll a lot just to see the full chart. Market cap got pushed all the way up to $600 and the liquidity is at $650 now. Now we got a couple more buys, one for over $150 and another one for just $3. But hey, all the buys we get count. We appreciate the volume. Just take a look at this precious chart. The coin is doing phenomenally. Check this. Over 500% growth in just a couple minutes. Liquidity is almost at $1,000. This is absolutely insane. Guys, let's go. Another big buy for $200, more than 1.5 Solana. Liquidity is at 1.3k in just 7 minutes, and honestly, I'm perfectly fine with this. But let's wait a bit more just to see if we can get the liquidity any higher. Okay, so it's been a few minutes and there's not much going on. We got a little buy of $30, but honestly, I think it's time to go ahead and get our money. Go to Raydium's portfolio section. Make sure your wallet is connected up here. Click on standard and you should be able to see your position down here. Click on the minus button. Slide this all the way to 100%. It'll tell you how much liquidity you can withdraw. Pay close attention to the Solana amount, as that's what you'll actually get in your wallet. When you're set, click remove liquidity and confirm the transaction. And just to be clear, this is all for educational purposes. Obviously, you'll see a confirmation that your liquidity removal went through. Now here's the exciting part. Check your wallet and you'll notice we've made 3 times our initial investment in no time. Feel free to repeat this process as much as you like, and I can confidently say the success rate is around 90%. Just to be clear, all of this is purely for educational purposes. I'm not affiliated with Raydium, Launch Tool, Photon, or DexScreener in any way, but I'll drop their links in the description for you. That said, if you're looking to make some solid cash, this is the way to go. Use it wisely while the opportunity lasts.
Disclaimer: this video has been made entirely for educational purposes only.